Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'm Milanda Delfiza will explain the material about cells' internal structures, nucleus, and endoplasmic reticulum. One, nucleus. The characteristic of the nucleus is relative large, distinct membrane enclosed structures of several kinds are found in most kinds of cell, though not all. Their layers, most well-defined subcellular structure or organelle is the nucleus, unless even large vacuoles are present. Vacuoles are large, fluid-filled space found in many cells, particularly plant cells. The nucleus contains the long dense structures composed of the deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA and protein the chromosomes. The structures contain genes which are the individual units of information that inform the cell what to do and how and when to do it. Nucleic acids are a major group of organic compounds. They are composed of subunits called nucleus, which contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and nitrogen. It is the sequence of nucleus that give the specific nucleic acid its distinctive properties. Deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid or RNA are two important nucleic acids found in cells. They are fundamental in the strong and transmission of genetic information that control the cell's function and interaction. A dark area within the nucleus of most cells, seen when the cells are not dividing, is known as the nucleus. This area contains a high concentration of ribonucleic acid and protein. Sometimes a nucleus contains several nucleoli, which are formed by a specific region on one chromosome, called the nucleolar organism. All the nuclear structures are embedded in viscous colloidal material, the nucleoplasms. The nucleus is bounded by a membrane, the nuclear membrane, which consists of two complete membranes similar in structure to the cell membrane. The nuclear membrane is very selective, restricting certain substances that readily pass through the cell membrane into the cytoplasm but are unable to pass through the nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane is perforated by many large pores that facilitate the passage of substance in or out of the nucleus. Attached to the outside of the nuclear membrane are many thin membranes of endoplasmic reticulum that appear to be important in assisting the two-way flow of materials to and from the nucleus. The next is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is a series of double-layered membrane found through the cytoplasm that provide surface area for enzymes to catalyze semi-cell reaction, particularly those leading to protein synthesis. The endoplasmic reticulum forms a multi-branched channel between the outside of the cell and the nucleus, connecting the cell membrane and the nuclear membrane, thus expediting the transport of cellular material. Endoplasmic reticulum might be present with or without the outer surface linet with small particles celled ribosomes, which are the actual sites of protein synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum without ribosomes is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this is where some steroid hormones and other lipids are synthesized. The endoplasmic reticulum that is linked with ribosome is referred to as raw endoplasmic reticulum. Their terms, mood, and raw endoplasmic reticulum relate to the structures and prints in electron micrograph. Okay, so many present chance that I can explain my shortcomings and mistake. I apologize and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.